Kaitlin Armstrong, the woman accused of killing pro cyclist Anna Moriah Wilson in Austin in May, will make her first court appearance today. KVUE's Natalie Haddad joins us live from the Travis County Jail with what we can expect. Good morning.
Good morning, Yvonne. After 6 weeks on the run, Kaitlin Armstrong was eventually brought back to Austin, where she now sits in a cell in the Travis County Jail behind me. But today, in just a few hours, she's going to make her first court appearance where they will address her murder charge, of course, accused of killing pro cyclist Anna Moriah Wilson. Now, Kaitlin is being held on a $3.5 million bond. She is also charged with an unrelated theft of service for allegedly failing to pay for a Botox procedure several years ago. Now, Kaitlin is accused of shooting Moriah Wilson to death at a home in East Austin after discovering Moriah and Kaitlin's then boyfriend had secretly spent the day together swimming and going out to eat. Now, Kaitlin's Jeep was seen on surveillance footage leaving the area of the home Moriah was staying in while she was visiting Austin for a cycling race. Kaitlin later sold that Jeep, then flew from Austin to New York, and a few days later she was seen flying out of New Jersey, where she ended up in Costa Rica. That's where she was later arrested after 43 days on the run. And by the time she was captured, Kaitlin had altered her appearance by cutting and dyeing her hair. She also reportedly had cosmetic work done to her nose. Now, law enforcement officials say it was Kaitlin's love of yoga that led them to where she was staying in Costa Rica. It was a popular place among practicing yogis. Kaitlin was teaching several yoga classes there before her arrest, and there she went by 3 different aliases. But most of her friends that she made at the hostel she was staying in Costa Rica, including those I have personally spoke with, say they knew her by one name, and that was Ari Martin. Now, Kaitlin Armstrong has hired 2 Austin area lawyers to represent her, and it's possible today that we will hear more about maybe possible fraud charges for using a fraudulent passport to fly from New Jersey to Costa Rica, and of course entering Costa Rica with a fraudulent passport. We may also hear today a little bit more on her flight to avoid prosecution, something to possibly come out of that. Now, cameras are not allowed in the courtroom, but KVUE will be there to report the latest.